and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
And welcome back to our attic.
Our attic, which 2 weeks ago, not only could you not walk through, you most definitely could not stand in this spot because it was about 3 feet high with boxes and assorted crap. Here we are.
With other boxes, but you're holding the bar.
Standing here in the middle of the attic, ready to mix a drink. And I have a drink especially created for me because over the last 2 weeks, I put my back out. So I'm calling this the Spasm. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm mixing for 2, so I'm using 4 ounces of bourbon. Rye. Sorry, that's rye.
Rye whiskey.
Rye, not bourbon.
A similar mash bill goes into these things.
Suddenly saw the shape of the bottle. I was like, that's not bourbon.
Wait a minute. That's not
Rye.
bourbon at all.
2 ounces of rye.
Well, Rebel Yell makes a fine bourbon, so there you go.
Okay. And then, if you don't mind.
Don't mind.
Thank you. Not a lot of room on this bar
top,
which is really a box of records. 1/2 ounce blood orange liqueur. Thank you, lovely assistant.
Anytime.
1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. It's over here somewhere. 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Blah.
Yeah, you can improvise a bar from all sorts of things, but that doesn't mean it's got all the space you need.
It's the first drink I've mixed up here. Take that.
Take this one. Yeah.
I'm going to forgive myself a little clumsiness. Straight into a cocktail glass. It's so pretty.
It's a very nice color.
Now, I want to leave some room in the top, so I'm going to give it a beer topper. So look, bonus.
I like the sound of that.
Okay. And then I'm going to top with a splash of lager. I happen to be using toasted lager from Blue Point. And let's see what we think.
Mm-hmm.
The Spasm.
And proceed.
Oh, yeah.
I'd say that could do something for your back spasms.
I think I will continue to take these until my back goes back to normal.
Back into its alignment.
My back goes back. Anyway, the attic. I'm going to give you a little tour. So that's it. I know it looks like there's still a lot of stuff in this attic, and there is, but compared to 2 weeks ago, the horror is removed. So, we will be back soon with more progress from the attic, but in the meantime, thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. We will be back tomorrow, Wednesday at 8 p.m. for another Liquored Up Live broadcast, but in the meantime, we will...
See you soon!
Bye.